Fellas, it's a glorious day today in the UK, so just come for some shade. Going to try this Nettle beer, a little bit of footage, come back and I'll crack this open and give me thoughts. What's sting in your tail? I'll just show you where they came from. Hop's not doing much this year. Split the rhizome and they're nettles. It's only been a few weeks. All these are right chopped down, so I might make another in the future. Let's see. Right, tighten the bottle. Bit of a hiss. Let's give it a pour. I'll pour it quite aggressively because I'm not sure how carved it was. Stop there. Wow. Clear as. Put it in a nucleated glass just to give the carbonation some effect. Not loads on the nose, I won't expect too much. It's a earthiness and a little bit of lemon which went into the fermenter, but I'm not expecting too much, so I'll dive in. Cheers, I'll tell you what it's about. That's tangy. Got some of these to go out, so don't be afraid if you think you might not see it again, because just about half a dozen bottles left, so yeah, I'll post a couple out. Tangy, like almost like a cerveza with some lime in it, that kind of thing. If you like that kind of drink, let's quickly talk you through it, what I did, and we'll just have another thing. So basically, you saw the field up there, 3/4 of a bucket full, like a builder's bucket of nettles. So 9 litres of water, 2 teaspoons of citric acid, a little bit of ginger I think there was in there. So just a 25-minute boil, but 15 minutes from the end. A teaspoon of yeast nutrient, a teaspoon of Irish moss just for clearing. I think it's worked out actually. And they had 18 grams of homegrown hops from last year, so it's a typical unique beer. Everything gone into this apart from the sugar has come from either top of the garden or the field. So what do we get? We've got an OG of 1.037, which I thought was a bit low. I'd have put some more sugar in, I realised, but it fermented right down to 1.0, so we got a 4.9% ABV. So my notes here, as I put into the fermenter, smell of nettles, taste of lemon, zingy and zesty, which is exactly what it is, and it's turned out a really nice beer, that. So anyone fancies giving it a go? There's loads of videos out there, and one I just watched a couple of days ago, I'll post a link to that one. That's one of the best I think, so I'm really happy with that. So hope everyone's keeping alright. Still furloughed, but we are getting there, aren't we? Shouldn't be long now, a week or two we're back in work. I've been in just to do a bit of meeting, just working out some social distancing, that kind of thing, in a really quite a small workplace, but other than that I've not been anywhere near. So we'll give it a go, fellas. 4.9%. If you like lager, if you like a cerveza with lime in, something like that, can't go far wrong. So cheers, enjoy the rest of the weekend, fellas. Catch you later.